Let's take a look at apartment number 2 at 1930 Brick Row. This unit actually has a special doorbell for audio and visual impaired folks. It's a special doorbell that flashes lights inside when someone is at your door. As you enter, you come right into the kitchen area, all new with hardwood floors. As we come around the corner, straight ahead is the full bathroom, and then there's a little storage closet here, and the hallway will take us two directions. We're going to start by going to the right, which is to the living room area. The little storage unit there. It's a very nice, bright living room. Heading back down the hallway. And this time we're going to take a right to the one bedroom in this unit. And I'm going to just sort of go in the corner here and scan around so you can get a sense for this space. So one bedroom apartment, ready to move in.